Hello, today we have a Monarch Model K 14-inch swing, 30-inch in between center machine. At this time I'll start the spindle up and run the spindle, and I will engage the carriage feeds, cross feeds, and gauge the threading shaft and demonstrate the half nuts engaged for threading. Start the speed up now. Got our half nuts engaged there, feeding towards the spindle. Stop the spindle. Our feed shaft. Feed shaft's engaged. Carriage feed towards the spindle. Cross feed coming out. And we will reverse our rotation. And then back to the threading. Get your half inch of threading. Thread away. Back to our feed. Feed away from the spindle. Cross feed, feeding in. Change the spindle speed. Motor speed. This machine, including all machine specifications and equipped options, can be found in our eBay store at Select Machine on eBay, and we thank you for viewing.